Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. 5 years into a solar portfolio, 73% of sites hit a wall. Production starts declining faster than degradation models predicted. Contracts end. O&M teams shift priorities. You're flying blind. The mistake? Not implementing new monitoring systems as original equipment ages. By year 5, SCADA is outdated. Contractor attention wanes. Performance slides 8 to 15% without anyone noticing. By discovery, the damage? 3M 5M hours in lost revenue. Today I'm showing what 5-year portfolios miss and how to prevent the cliff. Year to year, most operators assume continuous degradation follows the model, 0.5% per year, but after 5 years, degradation accelerates. Why? Original equipment ages, monitoring systems become obsolete, contractor knowledge of the site atrophies, SCADA data quality degrades, sensor drift, calibration loss. Your performance baseline shifts. A site producing 95 millibars on day 1 produces 91 millibars on day 1125 per model. But if degradation accelerates to 1.2% by year 5, you're actually producing 88 millibars. The 3MW gap, that's 600K, 900K a year you're not seeing because reports still compare to the outdated baseline. You're thinking, our contractor tracks this, we get monthly reports. Monthly reports compared to the engineering model, but the engineering model assumes continuous degradation. If degradation accelerates, the model becomes useless. Your contractor won't volunteer this discovery because it reveals their lack of true performance optimization. They'll just let production slide. Here's how to prevent the cliff. Year 1-3, establish baseline, current performance versus model expected, document any deviation. Year 3-4, install independent monitoring alongside contractor systems, spot check contractor accuracy quarterly. Year 4-5, analyze degradation trends from 2 sources. If contractor data shows 0.5% degradation, but independent data shows 1.2%, you have a problem. Year 5, update your performance model with actual data, not engineering assumptions. New baseline, new expectations. Year 5+, implement continuous optimization. Every asset gets string level monitoring. Every anomaly is captured, every trend is analyzed. This prevents the cliff. We've covered why 73% of 5-year portfolios miss the degradation cliff, and how independent monitoring catches the problem before 3M, 5M hours in losses accrue. By year 5, your portfolio is probably degrading 8 to 15% faster than predicted and losing 300K, 500K monthly without your knowledge. But you can prevent the cliff. Schedule a free 5-year portfolio health check. We'll analyze your current performance data, project realistic 5-year degradation, and identify if you're heading toward the cliff. For 100 made-over portfolios, this typically reveals 1 NLM, 3 NLMs in at-risk revenue. Then we show the monitoring strategy to prevent it. To book your health check, first 25 operators get a detailed degradation forecast. Your 5-year-old portfolio is probably hitting the degradation cliff right now. 73% due by year 5, production slides 8 to 15% faster than predicted. By year 5, if you don't act, cumulative losses, 3M to 5. Here's what's happening and how to prevent it. Yeah, like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.